Anyways, I am rearranging the fans in my bedroom a little bit right now. And while I was in inventory, sometimes when I work on fans, I sometimes just mess with them at the same time every now and then. And when I did something to this, I wanted to show you just what this fan can do. This won't be blown over. It's 150-50% chance it will, anyways. Turn this off just for comparison, just so I know. I feel quite a bit from here already. This is how it would probably be like on the ceiling. It is a ceiling like this and the fan is mounted here on reverse. This is probably how it will be like. A bit of air here, can't hold it. You can't do the tissue test because you know something like that, but yeah. And you just see where the ceiling fan reverses the ceiling size like this with the ceiling fan reverses, how it'll probably feel like. Yeah, but this is a pretty good fan. It's a powerful fan. If you ask me, being it's only a mini ceiling fan, I'm quite impressed. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it off. Turn this back on. This is very hot. And make make a small stand for a tissue. This is just things about these videos nowadays. When they started doing it, it's like, oh, that's a good idea, and then, you know, just putting K-Nex parts here. Somebody's watching a video. I just came around close the door. Just made it out of this. This is round because I didn't bother to move or add anything to it. To any of the pieces that, you know, does not look the best right now, but yeah. Because I'm sensible, I'm not gonna start this fan while it's on the ground. There it is. This is what it's moving. You guys have seen my previous videos, you know, I like them to be nice and long and detailed. I mean, I tried to make them compact, but I rather long videos than a video that doesn't show enough. Once again, sorry if you guys are seeing black. I'm just getting stuff ready. And I just get along with the video instead of just figuring various things out. No, I'm not gonna do that. Shame they don't normally sell these in the States. I'm sure that a lot of you guys would have wanted something like this, but they do sell some in the States. I've heard of that. There's addition. One thing, something else I'm going to show you is, just let me take up the little one. What this fan, even though it's not a big fan, will do against a big ceiling fan like that. I know it look the same size right now, but that's because this is much closer, but that's actually a lot bigger. This is 40 inches, this is 28 inches. This one's wobbling, yeah, that's interesting. I didn't notice it wobble before. Look at that, that's amazing. These fans were cheap, and there are really cheap ones like the one in my grandparents' house on my mom's side, but this one's actually one of the best ones I've seen. That's fair movement. Yes, there is better, but this is one of the best I've seen so far. That's fair movement. Anyways, you can have it. Thanks for watching.